Crisis? What crisis? A working day, but the cafes in upmarket Kolonaki are busy with the better off at leisure. Beneath the outward calm, there's turmoil, as thousands race to get their assets out of the country. Discreetly, the rich and middle class have been withdrawing funds from Greek banks for 2 years. What started as a slow process has now gathered pace as a general election approaches. Central bank figures show that deposits shrank by about 17% in 2011. That's $44.4 billion no longer in the Greek banking system. At the end of April this year, total deposits stood at $208.1 billion. Now, the current combined daily outflows from the major banks have reached $1 billion, according to banking sources. The money is going to Germany, the United States, and other safe havens. Meanwhile, consumers are stocking up on non-perishable food, worried about the election outcome.
We actually see lately a lot of elderly people to go to the supermarkets and fill up their cupboards and their houses with a lot of food. And this is understandable, maybe not acceptable, because they have lived during the Second World War and they know very well what hunger means.
The markets at the sharp end of the economy are struggling to get by, and this election is being driven by fear, portrayed as a choice between the euro or a return to the drachma. Some suspect scaremongering.
I think the catastrophic political climate makes it inevitable that people are terrorized and don't know where they will end up. Of course, this is a technique to manipulate people and subjugate them once again to the will of the European Union.
The European Union and the International Monetary Fund say that Greece has only cash to last a few weeks. They demand more austerity in return for further bailouts. But the Greek people may vote for a different and so far unexplored path. Tim Friend, Al Jazeera, Athens.